Alright, so I've assembled it. I've got some whole beans in there. Put in 2 little scoops of whole beans, and let's go ahead and see. Yes, I'm one of those monsters that leaves the plastic on. I'll probably take it off some other time. But for French press, which is what I'll be using, it says to do it 28 according to this chart over here. French press 28. So now we turn it on and see how loud this thing is. Okay. Alright, not too terribly loud. Let's check the... Oh, hey, what was that? Okay. Let's check the grind consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and get something to... Let's see. Let's use a standard little... Yeah. You can see some larger bits, some smaller bits. I suspect maybe it'll be more consistent with a finer grind, but I mean, this is I was really expecting better from this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a sifter and dirtying up a whole bunch of plates. But alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here and see what we got. Yeah. So for people who are saying these conical burr grinders are just the bee's knees for consistency, and you get these perfectly even grinds, well, say I beg to differ. So, yeah. Alright, well, I guess you don't always get what you pay for.
Replacement or warranty work, because I don't know how far I'm supposed to take this apart to get it to work. It used to work just fine. Hear that? This is not good. That's a lot of money to spend on something that lasted about 2 months.